up guys? So I'm just here at my new apartment complex that I moved in like last week. Just been really busy dealing with this like over the last 2-3 weeks. A lot more work than I expected. And today I think me and Carol are gonna go on another little exploration of Houston again, check out some sites that we've never been to, just like the last time. And oh yeah, but first we haven't had breakfast yet, so I think I'm gonna go and head to IHOP and overdose on some pancakes. Here I've got 4 delicious blueberry pancakes. Carol's got, what is it, sausage? Hash brown. Eggs. 2 pancakes. Looking good. We've come to a historic site called Battleship Texas. It's basically home to like a big warship that's been in both World War I and World War II. And yeah, I've never been here before. Some of my friends have and they said it's pretty cool. But we're already approaching the thing now and I can see it's absolutely gigantic. Check it out. Alright, got 2 tickets, $12 each, and a little leaflet telling us about the history. Time to head inside. Here we got the bedrooms, nice and comfortable.
No, not comfortable at all.
Not comfortable. Some more rooms, right? Here we got the 5-star bathrooms. It's cool how like all of the areas are pretty much open to explore and go around. I didn't realize it'd be this open, but yeah, I can't imagine having to live on this thing during a war. Like so claustrophobic, like just crazy. So now we're pretty much as high as you can get on the boat. So I read a little bit more about this place in the leaflet that they gave. So even though it was around in World War I, it actually only was in combat in World War II. And it went everywhere from like, I think North Africa, south of France, Japan. And I think it took prisoners of war from the Philippines to Pearl Harbor. So yeah, it's been through quite a lot. Alright, we're leaving this spot now. I think we're gonna head down the coast a bit, like about 20 minutes, to a place called Kemah Boardwalk. It would be better if the weather was a bit nicer. I'm not sure how it's gonna hold up, but yeah, we'll just have to wait and see. We've arrived at Kemah Boardwalk. Has an amusement park, has like restaurants and stuff like that. So I think we're gonna grab like a bite to eat and yeah, we'll probably go on some rides and stuff, I guess. Now come for food stop number 2 of the day. I've got tuna, rice, vegetables. What have you got? Salmon? Yeah. Rice and vegetables as well? Yeah. Good? Yeah. Yep. Nice. I'm gonna tuck into mine. So we actually ended up sleeping like a bit in the parking lot because we were so tired after the meal. But the benefit to that is now it's nighttime, so everything's like lit up, and yeah, we'll probably actually go on a ride now. We haven't been on any rides yet. First up, the big wheel. Are you scared? Yep, very scared. We're going to be leaving Kemah now. I couldn't really film any of the rides because you're not allowed your camera on there. Yeah, it was a pretty fun time. Now we're going to be heading back home, but we're still going to go out to like a jazz show, a live jazz show. Some really cool spot that we went to in the past. So we're going to be heading there now.
1, 2, 1, 2. Thank you so much.
We're in London. London! Another really great night of jazz once again at Cezanne's. So that place, it's funny, it's like basically like a little room at the top of like an English pub. And then every Friday and Saturday, I think from 9 PM till midnight, they have like jazz shows from random bands. So yeah, it just seems like it's always cool. This time was even better than the last time I went, so yeah, I definitely need to go more. Yeah, that's all from me. I'm done for today. We've done a lot of stuff. And yeah, if you enjoyed it, you already know, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.